I would describe SVSU as comfortable. The teachers are very accessible and open to helping you. Anything that you need is right there.
I would say friendly. The professors and faculty at Saginaw Valley are very approachable.
Convenience. Convenience because I was working full-time as a bartender, starting a family, and a transfer student wanting to earn my bachelor's degree.
Say resources. Everything I ever needed, it was right there for me. Teachers, fellow students, even my coaches, anytime I needed something, they were right there for me.
SVSU is family. One reason is because they have me prepared to go on to the next level in life.
Fabiano Brothers covers a large territory for Michigan. We started out in just Michigan. Now we cover from Wayne County, which would be our Detroit market, all the way up to the Mackinac Bridge.
Fabiano Brothers operates in 18 counties in the state of Michigan and 6 in Wisconsin.
SVSU has prepared me in many ways. One is Fabiano Brothers, of course, and it being so close to the university and such a major business, it also had me very prepared for a professional environment.
I was still able to go into a field where I could also exercise my education that I earned as a minor in communications and work with people and build those relationships in the community that I may not have seen in my music experience.
Being a part of the baseball team really taught me about work ethic on and off the field. A lot of it's off the field, what you do away from it is what's going to make you better.
At Fabiano Brothers, I am the Human Resource Director, and as a professional in HR, I like the diversity and unpredictability of each day.
What I like about it a lot, is just the variety of things we get to do every day. Different people you get to meet out in the market.
Working for Fabiano Brothers over the past 15 years has been very enjoyable. I've saw the business evolve.
I love the relationship building that I get to create day in and day out, whether it's between my Fabiano family or between some of the other retailers that I work with on a day-to-day basis.
Offering advice to current SVSU students, I would recommend that they try to gain some work experience while attending school. Don't wait until you get that degree in your hand to try and get out into the job market. The people that I see succeed the most are the ones that come in with some sort of work experience.
What I would tell SVSU students is to never give up. Don't shy away from something that might be challenging you at the time. If you find that maybe you're not in the right field, the other field might be just another step away.
Continue with your education, get involved with the college, go to career services, go to those career fairs early. Don't wait till the last year when you're looking for a job. Go early and start your networking.
Advice I'd give to students is to not be so set on one direction to go with. There's a lot of different ways you can go with your degree, different careers, jobs, positions. I was an exercise science major, so that could take you a lot of different directions.
At SVSU, I laid the foundation to get me where I am today.